Here are 5 basic HTML questions for you. 1. What does HTML stand for? Correct answer is C. 2. Which HTML tag is used to create a hyperlink? Correct answer is B. 3. Which tag is used to display an image in HTML? Correct answer is B. 4. What is the correct HTML element for the largest heading? Correct answer is C. 5. Which attribute is used to provide an alternative text for an image? Correct answer is B.